During the first and the second part of this video, I was talking about why energy data is critical and what we need to do. In the third part, I will be talking about how to create a superior energy data environment. This helps to solve many of the upcoming challenges for the utility industry. There are three elements that need to be present. First, data governance. All data requests are subject to privileges, which are granted by administrators. Data consumers get the data they need, nothing more. In big data and multi-cloud and multi-data source environments, this becomes very complicated and very complex very quickly. Second, data virtualization. The data can be too big to be moved. Moving is too expensive. The data can be too private, or it can be technically not possible to do so. Third, secure execution. We need to access the data and create virtual data sets. We then create secure execution environments that allow data owners and analytics providers to collaborate without exposing the data or the intellectual property. At Intertrust, we believe that all approaches to implement these elements must be agile and cost efficient. Most companies have existing data infrastructure in place, and new technologies need to be implemented in a light touch approach. This is why we at Intertrust have developed Intertrust Platform, which delivers the required functionalities and capabilities. Intertrust Platform is a middleware layer that sits on top of existing data infrastructures and applications. Different organizations within or outside a company have made and will make different choices regarding their data environments. Technologies such as Intertrust Platform bridge them into one coherent, risk-managed data landscape. The value proposition is to reduce the friction of collaborating around data. We also manage the legal, competitive and brand risk of data misappropriation. With Intertrust Platform, we can virtualize data from almost any data source out there. Whether the data resides on-premise or in the cloud is not relevant. Virtualize means that no data will be transferred for data access. The data can be queried directly at the data source. Only the relevant piece of information is transferred to the data consumer. Our identity and access management enables easy to govern access for hundreds of different data consumers and users over all data sources present. We have a lightweight and easy to operate interface. Only limited data administration resources are required. This is very important from a cost perspective. All virtual data transactions are audited and governed, which provides full control for data owners. With our secure execution environment, we run data and analytics in environments that fully protect data owners and analytics providers to the maximum extent possible. This is a very important capability. Developers, startups, and analytic companies develop algorithms that are assumed to create significant benefits. But to provide this, you need data, and you need access to the data. And the problem exists how to bridge that. Also, research institutions and universities like Stanford and others are struggling getting access to the data to do the innovation required at the research level. This summarizes the technical and business framework we have articulated for Intertrust Platform.